I use a variety of cloud providers, including DigitalOcean, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Alibaba. We use different providers based on our own needs or our clients' requirements. Today, I want to talk about Microsoft Azure. What I like best about Azure is their seamless integration to enterprise services such as Microsoft Office 365 and Active Directory. Microsoft Azure offers a wide range of services such as offering startups to host their applications and their solutions with highest possible security and with very minimal cost. They also have lots of guiding principles for solution architectures and cloud architecture for building solutions, and they have lots of documentation. You can learn from them before you build a solution. In any case, choosing a cloud provider is purely based on your needs or your client's needs. Stay tuned for our next episode.